Welcome mocktail enthusiasts and mixologists to my mixology channel. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe now and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any liquid magic that comes in your way. For today guys, this is the last episode of our lavender series. This is the Lavender Empress. It gives you a taste of Asia. So are you ready? Let's do this right now. Here are the ingredients to make your own Lavender Empress, the taste of Asia. And for the full recipe, it is located in the description down below. The following are lychee and its juices, fresh lemongrass, homemade lemongrass syrup, lavender syrup, fresh slices of lime, then lime juice, soda water, and purple food gel color. The first step, in a Boston shaker, we have to add lots of lavender syrup. For that citrus and zingy taste, let's add lime juice and fresh lime slices. The next step is to add a fruity and sweet flavor, so let's add lychee and its juices. The next step is to add lemongrass syrup, and we should double the amount because it is subtle and mild in flavor. The next step is my favorite part. Let's do the muddling method. The next step is to do the wet shaking method to combine and chill the ingredients together. The next step is to prepare all the garnishes for this drink. In a small cocktail toothpick, we will add fresh lime and lychee. The next garnish is the fresh lemongrass, so we will smash a little bit to release its flavor. The lemongrass should look like this. Taste your liquid magic first to know if it's well balanced and delicious before adding it to the glass. We want to add a little bit of lavender syrup so that when we top it with soda for later, the flavor still remains there. Since lavender syrup is sweet, I want to add a little bit of acidity to balance everything. So let's add fresh lime. Slightly muddle the fresh lime in the glass. To make the liquid purple, add purple food gel color. Next is time to pour our liquid magic. If it's not purple enough, add more purple food gel color. Then stir everything until combined. Add more ice. Let's add our fresh lemongrass that was slightly muddled into the glass. Add a dash of lavender syrup to make sure that there is still lavender flavor. Kindly garnish it with our prepared cocktail toothpick that has fresh lime and lychee. Before serving your final liquid magic, you have to taste it again. Kindly get the lemongrass, lift it up and tilt it on the right side so that it looks better. I would like to present to you our final lavender liquid magic, a taste of Asia, the Lavender Empress. And we know what aspiring mixologist wants to do is to turn up the music.